Hey guys, it's Michelle. Grateful Creations. I've been playing around with some alcohol ink. My goodness. All right. I think I'm going to try something different this time. I'm going to flood it. And then put my black down. Oh, shit. Shoot. This pitch black creates so many different colors, especially when it dries. Dry on its own. Oh. The paper is all. Oh well, look at that. I can't wait for you guys to see how this transforms. Just gonna let it dry naturally. So, not quite happy with that. Uh-oh. That's Glisten. that's a masterpiece. I love what the Glisten has done to this piece. Glisten and black, and a little bit of, what was that? Stream. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I love that. I love it. Absolutely love it. I love all the lines in it. I love this stuff down here. Did I tell you I love it? It looks like a, what are those shells? Oh my God, I can't remember the name of the shell. That is really cool. This isn't quite dry yet. I'm gonna dry it. That started out so ugly, so awful, has turned out so beautiful. Oh my God. I love it. I absolutely love it. Did I tell you I loved it? There's a couple little, yeah, that's fine. Oops, it did it again. Oh shit. It's sticking to the mat. All right, that's why I had this down. Jeez Louise. Yeah, it's frameable. Holy crap. So you leave it for a day, and then you spray it with Kamar varnish, and it sets it. I am amazed. I love it. I never thought that the Glisten, well, Glisten and black always look good together, but the alcohol ink, the pitch black from, is this Ranger? Tim Holtz. Tim Holtz is Ranger, yes. The black, that pitch black creates a lot of different colors in itself, but yeah. Paua shell. Paua shell? Oh my God. I'm going to take you guys down for a close-up with the lights off. All right, that's it for me tonight. I am boiling back here. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, I really love it. I love this right here. All right, guys. TLP alcohol mix. Glisten. And does it ever. All right, that's it for me this evening. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.